Guys, day 2. Yesterday I showed you guys my dumpling. And if you haven't seen what's inside, go check the other video. I got a new squishy from Five Below. It was $3. It's a Lego cube. And this is what, yesterday, I'll tell you the squishy that I had. Whole box of dumplings, which I got 1. Because I didn't want to get 3, save some for the other people. There was not that many dumplings left, so I got 1. And then there was baby squishies, and it was a 1 pack with 2 babies inside, pink and purple, blue and green. And then there was cute little yellow ducks shaped like this, but more squarey and stuff, I don't know. And then these and a lot of tabas, and they're all sold out now. But you ready? It's a Lego cube. Sugar filled, and it actually feels so good. So yeah, and it's way clearer in in real life. Wait, look inside for me. Look at that. But it looks a bit dirty right now. No, not in real life, on camera. You really know how to make me cry when you give me the ocean. No. Ocean eyes. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. Sorry, it's dark right now. I can't show you my ocean eyes. Bye.